रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। Truth and non-violence be with us during this Gandhi Jayanti. Thoughts about Gandhiji shared by SN3 residents.
गांधी जी ने दे दी हमें आज़ादी, बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
Gandhi, his name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but his ideals were so high that people of India called him Mahatma Gandhi. Though the Britishers called him half-naked fakir, and in the evening prayers of Gandhiji, there were two lines very important ones. वैष्णव जन को तैने कहिए जो पीर पराई जाने रहे. That means he was the same, the only person is a true person if he can feel the pain of others. And this ideal was misunderstood by many. Eventually he paid for life, for his own life, for this principle primarily.
सुनो सुनो ए दुनिया वालों, बापू की ये अमर कहानी। वो बापू जो पूज है इतना जितना गंगा माँ का पानी। सुनो सुनो ए दुनिया वालों, बापू की ये अमर कहानी।
बापू के जो सिद्धांत थे उस पर हमें चलना चाहिए। खाली बापू के बारे में गाने से या उसके बात करने से काम नहीं बनता, लेकिन जब हम उनके सिद्धांत पे चलते हैं तब उसके कुछ मतलब होगा। धन्यवाद।
Hello. I admire Gandhiji for his pursuit of truth and his determination to go through whatever circumstances, but keeping truth in front, no matter how much physical or mental difficulties he is subjected to. So, and also because of his attitude and actions and speeches, he had millions of people following him and leading the country and South Africa to freedom. The only thing I do not like is that this is not a perfect world, and there are enough people and enough countries who would crush anyone who is non-violent. They don't care, and you have to protect yourself against that also, which he did not favor. But other than that, there's everything that he did I admire, and I wish I could follow some of that. Thank you.
When I was in college, I was living in the Gandhi ashram. There I learned about the Gandhi philosophy, and I'm proud of that. Thank you.
I admire Gandhiji for his non-violent movement which gave independence to India, and the whole world is grateful to him, and I am very thankful to Gandhiji. Whole world will remember him forever. Thank you.
Gandhiji demonstrated the power of conviction, satyagraha, civil disobedience, fasting, secularism, and equality of human beings in achieving independence of India from mighty British Empire. Remarkable thing was he earned it without any bloodshed. His strong conviction for independent India attracted stalwarts of India like Nehru, Patel, Malaviyaji, Tilak, Gokhale, Rajaji, Tagore, and he harnessed their talent in achieving independence. Western world has not yet fully appreciated Gandhiji's contributions to the world. Martin Luther King, Bishop Tutu, Mandela, etc. followed the path of non-violence in accomplishing their goals. Romarola, a philosopher, and Einstein, a great scientist, understood his unique accomplishments and lavished praises on this great man. Simplicity, cleanliness, and non-violence he practiced throughout his life. He truly deserves to be called Mahatma, a great soul, and father of the nation. Today we are celebrating his 151st birthday by remembering him.
Mahatma Gandhi was one of the most striking Indian independence leader, and we will be celebrating his 151st birthday today, and with the prayers and some tributes. Thank you.
You know, I wonder as to the coming generation would wonder really as to a man of Gandhi's nature and lifestyle did really exist in flesh and blood. A man of loincloth, he accomplished so much, and people would wonder, is it really, was he a myth or was he reality? And that is what Gandhi's greatest accomplishment was. A simple man who accomplished something that was almost unbelievable. And that's what Gandhi is all about. A man of simplicity, but a man who did something that people could not even imagine.
નમસ્કાર. પૂજ્ય મહાત્મા ગાંધીજીના 151માં જન્મદિવસે સાબરમતી સત્યાગ્રહ આશ્રમના ધ્યેય અને લક્ષ્ય માટે પૂજ્ય મહાત્મા ગાંધીજીએ લખેલ એક લેખ અમે અહીં રજૂ કરીએ છીએ.
સામાન્ય વ્યવહારમાં અસત્ય ન બોલવું કે ન આચરવું એટલો જ સત્યનો અર્થ નથી, પણ સત્ય એ જ પરમેશ્વર અને તે સિવાય બીજું કશું જ નથી. એ સત્યની શોધ અને પૂજાને અંગે જ બીજા બધા નિયમોની આવશ્યકતા રહે છે અને તેમાંથી જ ઉત્પત્તિ છે. આ સત્યના ઉપાસક પોતે કલ્પેલા દેશહિતને સારું પણ અસત્ય નહીં બોલે, નહીં આચરે, સત્યને અર્થે તો પ્રહલાદની જેમ માતા પિતા અને વડીલોની આજ્ઞાનો પણ વિનયપૂર્વક ભંગ કરવામાં ધર્મ સમજે. સત્યમેવ જયતે.
ગુરુ યુગ પુરુષ પૂજ્ય મહાત્મા ગાંધીજીને અમારા લાખો પ્રણામ.
નમસ્કાર.
નમસ્કાર.
Namaste everyone. On the Gandhiji's birthday, we have to wish everybody a happy Mahatma Gandhi's day, happy, and we are praying that we will get all over the world for peace, and we remember Mahatma Gandhiji. We'll give him a koti koti vandan, and that's okay now.
On Gandhiji's 151st birthday, I feel very proud as a Bharatiya. We have grown up knowing Gandhiji as well as his disciples and his colleagues, and that is Sardar Bhai Patel as well as Vinobaji and many, many more. I had the occasion to go to Dandi last February, and I was completely emotionally drained while walking through the Dandi Kuch, what he had done back in 1930s and so forth. So I respect Gandhiji's ideals, Gandhiji's wishes, and I wish I can become like Gandhi. Jai Hind.
Namaste everyone. I'm here to say a few words about our Babuji, the great father of our nation, who was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat state. He started the Satyagraha movement against the British rule. He was a man of simple living and high thinking. He was a great believer of non-violence. He advocated the use of khadi. He was very truthful and honest, and unfortunately he was shot dead on January 30th, 1948. Here I remember some of his quotings which I used to write on the blackboard when I was teaching my students in India. Let me read those to you. The future depends on what we do in the present. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. Where there is love, there is life. Satisfaction lies in the effort, not in the attainment. Full effort is full victory. And the next quoting is very important for all of us. It is health that is real wealth, and not pieces of gold and silver. Anger and intolerance are the enemies of correct understanding. Thank you.
Namaste. Our knowledge about Mahatma Gandhi came basically from schools, and later in my life I was able to find a book which very clearly gave his biography, and it's Louis Fisher's Life of Mahatma Gandhi, which I have it with me. This is an excellent book. Those who have not read this, it gives a good narration of the struggles he had in Britain, and from there when he went to South Africa as a lawyer, and the struggles he had to go through in Johannesburg and other places in South Africa. And later he came to Bombay to join the independence movement. So if you get a chance, please read this book. This is an excellent book. And on this Gandhi Jayanti day, I have to say Jai Hind, and thank you very much for listening to this. Thank you.
Namaste. Today, the whole world is talking about our Mahatma Gandhi ji. The word non-violence is almost synonymous with the name of Mahatma Gandhi ji, who saw beauty in truth.
Bapuji lived in the Harijan colony in Delhi, which was next to my school. We used to walk on the lawns of our school. So the school once arranged a huge pageant involving all the children of the school, and we titled it as Bapuji Walked Here. Unfortunately, I could not see Bapu alive, but could learn about all his great principles through his writings and try to imbibe in my life. I have been very truthful. I have tried to solve my issues by sometimes going into silence and even not having food. I have tried to be self-reliant. I love wearing khadi. I respect every soul of this planet. What my last wish is, when my prana leaves my body, I have Ramanama on my lips. Namaste.
राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति 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 राघव राजा